What's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? Another early morning post office run before I start my day. Your boy's stressing, man. My pool lost all the water. I noticed it yesterday. Probably gonna have to get a new liner. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to get a new liner before the summer hit. Cause I'm definitely not going to summer without my pool. But whatever, I'll get through it. As far as the agenda for today, we're gonna take that canary sweatsuit to the tailor, get that all done up, and then we gotta go pick up those new restricted snapbacks from the embroidery shop. Alright? So y'all rocking with your boy? You feeling these blogs? Leave it in the comments below. Let's get to it.
Hey, givers gotta set limits, cause the takers never do. Put yourself first. Then they gonna say you selfish.
Yo, I swear, it's 29 degrees, hitting different right now out in the city. But I'm about to run up in this tailor real quick. Get these hoodies, these sweatpants sewn up. Alright? Damn. And they closed. Guess we're gonna have to come back tomorrow. Thank you. Yo, I'm gonna keep it a buck. I shouldn't even be out here, y'all. Still sniffling, sneezing. My throat was sore, but I got a little bit better. But I still ain't 100%. But I gotta go get my shit. Word. I'm almost there. Check out this nice duffel my wife got me. That's a Christmas gift. We hating. Yeah, I still get gifts. We hating. What's poppin' though? Y'all watch my last video? Y'all like that joint? What y'all do for New Year's? Leave it in the comments, let me know. Let me know if you just rocked out with, your immediate family, your friends. Did you go watch the ball drop? What you do? Did you have to work? Tap in with your boy. Leave it in the comments below. My man.
Good morning.
Morning. How you doing?
Good.
I'm here to pick up my order.
Okay.
Restricted with the X's.
Merry New Year.
What's up, man?
What's up?
Popping.
What's poppin'? Could you?
It's not real leather.
No, I know that.
It could be 3D. Could be a problem. This part is very thick.
All right, that's fine in mine.
Yeah.
So you can put that back, give it back to him.
Oh, they was just getting my joints together too.
That's mine, but the company on there. So it's better, all right?
No, same thing. Here, it's very thick in the middle.
So you couldn't do nothing.
No, don't do it.
I'm gonna give y'all a quick little sneak peek. You see them joints? So it came out pretty hard. We're gonna review them in full detail when we get to the spot. All right, but I'm thinking they looking woo. You know how I do. Now, since we out, I'm gonna run up in this store right here, y'all. I never been in here before. Run up in here and see what they offer. You see the name of it. I see some tees and stuff up in there. They might do some custom stuff, so let's check them out real quick.
No, I'm doing myself. All right, thank you.
You guys do embroidery too?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't look that bad, yo. Got a heat press back there.
Oh no. Brother.
Cat press. What do you do? Custom
Yeah, over there, go. You want customer's print?
huh?
You want customer's print?
Nah, I don't need anything done. I came in here, I never been in here before. I wanted to see what you guys offer.
Okay, go over there and talk with him.
All right. I see some gildings up in here. So you guys do custom garments?
Custom printing and embroidery.
So what's the MOQ? Like, what's the minimum quantity?
One piece you can make sample.
For real? Even though, and that's what embroidery too?
No, embroidery minimum 6 pieces.
Minimum 6?
For
What's-
embroidery minimum 6 pieces, printing 1 piece, no problem.
Do you do 3D embroidery?
Half embroidery, yeah, we do.
And what's like the average? Like if I brought 6 pieces in,
Those are the half.
yeah, so if I wanted to get something like this, the 3D embroidery,
Depends on how many stitches is there. You need to show me your file, or do you have your digitized file?
oh yeah, I got everything.
Okay, then you need to check how many stitches is there.
Mhm.
So based on 1,000 stitches is $1.
Okay.
So you need to give us the file,
Mm-hmm.
then we can check and we can give you the code.
All right, cool. You got a card or something?
Yeah, sure.
Appreciate you. What's your name?
Hassan.
Hassan?
Mm-hmm.
All right, here's Hassan's business card. We're gonna check Hassan out. Hey, I'll be in touch, all right?
All right, my friend. Thank you.
Yep, thank you. See, you gotta have multiple plugs, yo, because you never know. Like, my other guy at Dream Trader, he ain't doing no less than 12. I'm saying that's how he operate. So, but I don't know. Maybe one day if we're getting a bunch, we'll check this guy out. But you know me, like, I gotta make sure shit straight first. I ain't gonna, I'm saying, I'm used to what I'm used to. And if my shit come out fucked up, it's gonna be a problem. Y'all know how I operate. Don't play with my money, don't play with my time, and definitely don't play with my garments. Word. But let me just run something by y'all real quick that I'm getting sick and tired of. Honestly, excuse all the noise, excuse all the background noise. Y'all know where I'm at. But it's like, as much as you try to put people on, man, they ain't putting in the effort. Like, they ain't doing what they gotta do, you know what I'm saying, to get themselves going. And I hate that shit, yo. I hate that shit. Like, don't waste my time. If you asking me for help, but then you not applying yourself, yo, don't waste my time, yo. It's 2024. If you're not applying yourself, I can't do nothing for you no more. That go for everybody, yo. That go for everybody. Friends, family, my mama. Like, yo, anybody could get it. Because, you know, people always like to say, oh, so-and-so, I need help with this, I need help with that. But then when you try to help them, they ain't trying to help themselves. Like, how am I help you if you ain't helping your damn self? I can't be more excited or more involved in something that's going on with you. That's going on with you. If you're not as equally excited or ecstatic about it your damn self, that's for you, not me. Like, so, yeah, man, people gotta do their own due diligence. Like this platform I'm on right now. Yeah, I'm on this platform with y'all. YouTube. Saying, and keeping it real, if it wasn't for Stan Banks putting the battery in my back, I wouldn't be showing nobody shit, to tell you the truth. Word, because I know I don't like dealing with nonsense, and I don't like dealing with like lazy people. You know what I'm saying? If I'm gonna be putting in the effort to show you how to do stuff, like, yo, apply that shit, man. Apply that shit to real life. That's like receiving on-job training, and your trainer keeps showing you the same shit over and over again, but you still ain't picking it up. You either lackadaisical or you just lazy, don't want to do nothing. Your ass gonna get fired. Same with me. Eventually, I'm just not gonna say shit to you no more. You know what I'm saying? But let's get back to the positivity. I just had to get that off my chest. All right, that better not be you. That better not be you I'm talking to right now. All right? Y'all want to look like a baller? Cop that fur. It's on sale. $3,500. $3,500. For the record, I would never spend that type of money on a piece of clothing. And if you would, you following the wrong damn channel. Cause you way out of my league. That's a definite never. Alright, y'all, yo. I'm just gonna keep it a buck. I'm gonna make this clip right here real short. Cause yo, I'm all messed up. Like everything leaking, dripping. I'm talking about like a faucet. I don't feel good. Somebody take me a hot shower and lay it down. But I wanted to show y'all the hats. Excuse me. wanted to show y'all the hats. Now, like I said, I told y'all I was gonna try to be, you know, more consistent, but I want to be a man of my word. I don't want to hold this shit up. I'm gonna get this video out by Friday. I'm trying to drop 3 times a week: Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Today is actually Tuesday. I ain't dropped, you know, cause of you know, the holiday and whatnot. But oh, nah, that ain't even the reason. I had wanted to drop, y'all, but I was having issues with the actual, you know, video. I had so many copyright claims, man. It is what it is. I ain't gonna make no bread off that last one, but I just wanted to hit y'all with that one anyways, you know what I'm saying? Just so y'all could see, like, you know, a little bit, you know, into my life and how I chill with, you know, my peoples and shit like that. And I take care of my family, whatever they need. So let's get right into this hat. This is the new restricted 5-panel snapback. It ain't a camper, y'all. It's the 5-panel. You don't know what the 5-panel mean. We're just gonna break that down real quick, all right? All right, now when you look at the front, all right, this is 1. All right, when you count the spaces, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why it's considered a 5-panel. All right, that seam ain't going completely all the way down in the front. All right, not that there's anything wrong with those. You know, I got those too, but I didn't want that for this particular design. Man, that shit came out crispy clean. What y'all think? Look at that 3D embroidery. Damn, that shit is nice. Woo. All right, so I showed y'all in the past, we gotta, everything is straight with the hat, but we gotta detag them, you know? We gotta detag them. And when I mean detag them, I mean, you know, get rid of all this shit. So we don't want no sticker. We don't want no sticker here. We don't want this hang tag there. You know, we could put our own hang tag. And this label on the inside, I showed y'all that in the past. All right, we don't want that there either. All right, so when it's time for me, you know, to sell these joints, everything's gonna be detagged, and the only thing you're gonna see on there is restricted. All right, now you don't have to do that if you don't want to, but I like excuse me, but I like to. I want my customers only focused on my shit, not anything else. All right, now if you want to cop some of these, all right, if you paid attention, the website is right there on the tag, and I used them before. All right, so, yo, that's it, man. I'm about to, I gotta get in the shower, yo. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next clip, and this joint definitely coming out on Friday, all right? We gotta double back and go get that sweatsuit made up. And we gotta get the hoodies to match these joints made up too. I ain't even gonna present these joints, keeping it a buck. I'm not even gonna present these joints until the hoodies is actually done. Cause I'm just so anal like that. I gotta sell these shits as a set because they look so much more fire as a set. What? The hat with the matching hood. Let's get it, y'all. I'll see y'all on Friday.
Hey, I might be selfish, cause I got secrets I never shared. I just kept them to myself, speak of them I never dared. And even when they hurt me, I act like I never cared. I let you put on a show and your
The message is
never
always
aired.
in the
But when
cloth,
it's
the
my
colors, the
turn,
designs,
mercy
the
was never
fit.
spared. I owe you for that shit like a
Please.
tab that I never
Stay
cleared.
alert.
Circle is
And
never
remember,
squared.
choose
Vibe is
your
never
own
weird.
path.
Bone crushers in the Glock.